Today we are discussing about time box model in software engineering. Time box model is the one of the software development model like waterfall model. The main difference between waterfall model and time box model, in waterfall model each and every page is processed without any time. So there is no time limit for the events. In time box model, each and every page is done in a fixed time duration. Each and every time is done in a fixed time duration. Time box model mainly used for fixing duration time for event or a page. So we can set the time for event or a page. Time box is an approach to set a time to the task and time management. So each and every page started with before we set the time. Time box model starting an iteration before the previous iteration has completed. It is possible to reduce the average delivery time for implemented project. Average time delivery time for the implemented project. In the time box model proposed, the development time of the project is fixed. In this case, each and every duration is fixed. In time box model, development ID done iteratively as in the iterative enhancement. So we can generate a time ID for each and every development and each and every requirement, each and every deployment iteratively. So each and every time ID is enhanced with the next time ID. So we can deploy the complete product. All the time IDs are enhanced. This is the block diagram of time box model. So TB1, TB2, TB3, TB4. These are the time IDs. Each in time box model, mainly three pages: requirement page, page. Build means development page and deployment page. Here requirements, development and deployment. Mainly three pages are there. Each and every page is done in a fixed time duration. Each and every page is done in a fixed time duration. In that fixed time duration, we can process the requirements. We can process the requirements in a fixed time duration. So all time durations are enhanced. So finally the complete software will be deployed. The complete software will be maintained. There are mainly three pages. First page is requirement page. Each and every stage work can be divided into different time slots. Each and every work is each and every page is divided into different time slots. In requirement stage, requirements and analysis are processed or run in parallelly. Requirements are analysis and processed run parallelly. Requirements and analysis, both activities are allocated with a different time slots. So we can run parallelly. Each and every step is done in a fixed time slot. All the requirements and analysis activities are like software requirements, hardware requirements, functional requirements, non-functional requirements, cost, quality, etc. All are done in the requirement stage. In the requirement stage, identify and gathering and processing the requirements and also analyze the cost, time and quality of the product. Second one is build phase. In this build phase is the combination of design and implementation. So design and implementation both are done in the build phase. Build phase means development phase. Module preparations, coupling of the modules, cohesion of the modules are represented in the development phase. After completion of development, then go to deployment. So deployment is the process of whatever we are developed on the developer machine that is installed or work in the client environment. Deployment means installation and maintenance of a project. Deployment is the process of installation and maintenance of the project. All the testing and maintenance activities are done in the deployment stage. All the testing and maintenance of the project is done in the deployment phase. Next, advantages: speed up to development process and shortens the delivery time. So we can process the requirements in a short time. It is more suitable for the short time period. When the project is developed in a low time or fixed time, this model is very suitable. It supports for large scale projects and small scale projects. We can implement large scale and small scale projects. Time box model is support. Disadvantages of time box model: project management becomes more complex. So in time box model, project management becomes more complex because we can first project management becomes more complex because we can assign the time for each and every activity. So in that activity, in that time, we can run the activities. So management task is more complex. All the time not support for the task is divided into multiple parts. So all times we are dividing the task into multiple parts. So assign time for each slot always not possible. This is the advantages of time box model. Thank you.